Welcome back. Once you become more established in your business, you'll begin receiving feedback, which is great. You can't expect to be perfect right out the gate, and being willing to improve your offer or pivot what you do will help you have lasting success. Here's how to do it. Who has been referring people to you? What qualities do they possess, and what are they saying about your business? If the majority of your business is coming from this type of person and their referrals, they are your ideal customers, so you may want to adjust your ICP to them. The next time you see them, ask what they love about your offer and consider the following questions. How did they find out about you? What inspired them to make their first purchase? Why do they keep buying from or working with you? Why do they choose you over your competitors? What do they look for when researching what to buy or who to work with? What have they been telling others about your business? What could be improved? Use this language in your marketing and ask if this person can write you a testimonial. More on that in Lesson 4. If you're a maker, you can also ask your wholesale buyers the following about their customers' interactions with your product. What are their FAQs? Which of your products are the most popular? Why do people love them? Which of your products do people complain about the most or don't buy? Why? How would your wholesale buyers describe the people that purchase your products? When asking for ways you can improve, be careful not to completely change what you do to accommodate specific people. If you frequently hear the same feedback, then definitely consider implementing it. But if only a few people have asked you to modify an offer or create something new and you follow that advice, you may lose more people who loved your offer just the way it was, dilute your business, or sit on inventory that's not moving. Our next lesson focuses on customer retention because it's much easier and more cost-effective to have repeat buyers than to have to attract and convert new clients and customers. I'll see you there.